up, y'all? It's your boy Zyron Speaks, and this week we're going hiking. So I've never been hiking before, but I hear it's fun. I mean, I see a lot of people do it. I'm in Cali. It's a bunch of mountains and stuff out here. I mean, like it's something that I've always wanted to do, but I just never did it. But today is the day I'm going to actually go through and do it. I am nervous, but hey, it's a learning experience, and I mean, it's an outdoor type of deal. I hear it's peaceful. Whenever you get higher, I'm going to Three Sisters. There is a waterfall there, and I'm so excited to see it. So it's an hour and a half away, so let me go ahead and get on the road now. So we just made it to the parking spot. Now we have to hike. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. But hey, let's get it. I got two of my shipmates with me. They're getting out the car, taking their precious time. But we finna eat this. We're about to jog it, walk it, walk it, get all the exercise we can. So stay tuned. I think you guys are gonna like it. Look how dirty Summer is. She looks hideous. Like, look at my wheels. Horrible. But hey, it's cool. It's cool. We're about to eat this up. All right, y'all, we are officially on the trail to start this hike. We're about to start jogging. Right here, Seaman Lewis. Then I got Seaman Gregory right here. All right, let's get it. I'm sure I just ran like a mile and a half of up and down hills, rocks and sliding. I'm not here for it. Forget it. I'm done. I can't. Look at these guys. Look at this. Oh, man. Crap. I just really got left. I'm not doing it. I'm not about to die. Look at this. Look. I can't do it. I'm going to fall. They waited for me, then left me again. You probably can't even see them. Look at this. I could like slip and fall. I'm not gonna do it. This view is nice though. Look at this. I will never volunteer to do this again. I cannot do it. Oh God. Well, you can do anything you put your mind to. Remember that. But this, man versus wild, I'm not here for it. Look at the fall. Oh, goodness. Woo! Literally, like, no, like, gravel or anything for me to, like, grip onto if I slip and fall. I'm not doing it. I'm not falling today. Nope. Oh, my goodness. Oh, hey, Gregory. Hi, how are you guys? Haven't saw you guys in, like, 3 miles.
Look at this. It's so beautiful.
It's very beautiful. Yes.
We need you to keep running.
You're crazy. This is so peaceful. I have decided to take a 10-minute break just to find some peace with this. It's very beautiful. The sound of the waterfall is very relaxing. So here I am, going hiking, climbing through these mountains and rocks. And it just made me realize something. I'm saying I can't and I won't because there are obstacles in my way that are blocking me to get where I'm trying to go. But if I keep pushing through it, I get closer and closer to the end result where I'm trying to go. So therefore I have to get through these obstacles, praying and keeping faith that I will be okay. Even like that, slip, but you get back up and you keep moving. That's how life works. That's why you find peace with things. Everything will be okay. Just keep moving. You know, life is all about balance. And if I keep my balance on these rocky surfaces, although I may rock side to side, tipping and turning, climbing things I ain't never climbed before, I can make it to see the end result. So therefore, when it gets rocky, you just gotta keep pushing and just keep climbing. Grab your tennis shoes, your stilettos, whatever you need to grab, and keep on climbing, because you're gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay. And now I have made it to see the beautiful end result. So this path had several obstacles that I did not want to take, but I took them, and now I can see the end result.
My boy Gregory here wants to slide down the waterfall.
All right, I want out. Oh God, never again. Oh God, oh no. Oh, woo.
About to go ahead and try to make our way back to the car here for about an hour and a half. Honestly, it was very peaceful. So my week didn't start off too bad. It started off a little bit bumpy. Had a couple of setbacks, but I tried to keep my head held high. And I just knew that in the end, everything will be okay. And in the end, I want to get over these obstacles. It's very important that we find peace, that we learn to just keep our head up. You know, the winter's going to be rough. Sometimes we'll have bad weeks, sometimes bad months. We may have a bad year. But no matter what, there's always peace in it, and there's always an end result. Always something to look forward to. And this trip, this right here alone, was like a much needed escape. It's like, just leave all my problems here. I'll take them back with me. This is very hard to come by, especially when work is going rough. If you ain't acting right, you got car problems, financial problems. I know what it's like, but guess what? You keep your head held high, get over them obstacles. Ain't nothing to beat you. Once you get over that, I mean, it's just life.
So today was absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed myself. It was a much needed road trip. It was really good to see nature, hear a waterfall for once in my life. Like I said, I haven't went hiking. I've actually never been hiking before, but I did it, and it brought me a lot of peace. It was very peaceful, and a peace of mind is something that we all need. So anytime you guys get a chance to take a little road trip, go see a little bit of nature, do it. But I'm out for today. If you want to see more of me, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you like, let me know what you don't like, so I can continue to work on it. And thank you all who have been following me on this journey so far. It really means a lot. So I'm out.